Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. So I came across this cute little gift card purse holder, and I thought we could make that today. It's super cute, super tiny, and just the perfect size for a gift card. So what you need to do for this one, and again, this is not my website, but they are offering the free SVG file. All you would do is just create an account. It's free, and then you can go ahead and download the SVG file. And from there, we would just save it to the desktop and then upload it to Cricut. So I am at the point where I already uploaded it. And then what I'm going to do is just kind of change the colors real quick. So it's easier for me to go ahead and load the cardstock quicker. So I'm going to change this. In the image they use gold. So I'm going to go ahead and do silver because I think it'll match the colors nicely that I'm using. So we're going to go ahead and change this to silver. And let's do silver and silver. Okay, so then this pink is, I'm going to use a colored cardstock. So let me just move that to the side. And then this part right here, I'm going to do this as yellow. And you see it has like the little cute little frail little, what is it called? Like a doily, I think is what it's called. And I'm not sure if that's it. I'll have to look it up. But it reminds me of that kind of look. So let's click here and we're going to change this to yellow and yellow and yellow. Okay, so we're going to do green for that. And the rest will be green. So let's quickly change it. And then what I'm going to do is for the Happy Mother's Day, we are going to click on that and change that operation to a pen so we can have Cricut just write that in for us. And then you have to select both of them and hit attach. And I think that is it, you guys. So, and definitely hit save. And we're going to click make it. Okay, so something that I just noticed, here on the left it says pen, but it should also say basic cut, and it doesn't. So I think that's just the way that this file is set up. Really what this is just a circle, and then it has Happy Mother's Day inside the circle. It's just a line circle, like really behind here there's nothing. So what you need to do, because it has to be on something in order to write onto something, if I'm making any sense. And so what we need to do is, let's make this to white. So we have to do like a little circle. Let's see if it's the same. Let's make it a little bit bigger. It has to be the same size. Okay, so then I'm going to arrange this and send it to the back. And then let's go ahead and select both of these and hit align. Not that says arrange, sorry, align. Center. Okay, so now it's perfect. Then we're gonna hit attach. So you'll need to do that. That's just the way it was set up. And then we're gonna hit make it. And then it should say, let's go up here to the top. Okay, so here, actually it went in a different order now, but when we do get to this, it says pen and basic cut. So just want to bring that to your guys' attention, and now we're going to start with the silver, and then we'll go down. So let's get started. The silver cardstock, and this is the poster board cardstock, and we're going to use tape in all four corners. Okay, and we like to hit the arrow. Okay, so next we need to hit continue, browse, and it's the foil poster board, and done. And now we're ready to hit the Cricut button. And then you hit the arrow button again. And we are going to take the tape off and save it. I'm going to turn it upside down and then just kind of take it off. Let's see. It should just come right out actually. Okay, so this is just a tiny piece of white scrap paper. This is the circle. And since we just did a foil board, we have to hit cancel, the cut, and then continue. And we have to change the material to a medium cardstock. Okay, we have to put the pen in. And now we hit the arrow button and the Cricut. Okay, so it just did the pen and now it's going to go back and do the cut. Isn't that cute? Okay, so let's go ahead and take off the tape. It's so much easier to have the pen do it. Is that focused? Than to try to even do vinyl. I don't think that's focused, you guys. Okay, so anyway, let's set that aside, and now we need to go to the next cardstock. Okay, so I'm going to use this cardstock, and this is actually double-sided, so it has another pattern on the back, which you won't be able to see. It's a thicker cardstock, so we're gonna have to go back and cancel the cut and change the paper. Okay, so let's hit cancel, continue, and browse, and cardstock. Let's see what cardstock they have. Heavy pattern looks like the closest to what we're looking for. Okay, so this just finished cutting, and remove the pieces. There's this. So these are connected. Okay, so cool. So that is done. Okay, so this sheet just finished, and I have one more that I have to do, and it's just a basic cut, and it's still the same cardstock. So I'm just gonna switch the colors out and do that real quick. Now we'll turn this upside down, and we have 5 pieces. Okay. Okay, so this just came off, and we're gonna take the tape off as well. And okay, so I have all the pieces out, and the first thing I'm going to do is apply, actually we're not using glue stick today. We're going to use this type, it's like a double-sided tape, it's a Scotch tape, and so I'm just going to go ahead and make sure you can see this. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and apply this just around the outside, like a border going around the outside, as close to the side as you can. And then I'm going to attach it here, make sure it's lined up, so it'll be just like this. And the next thing we're going to do is apply this double-sided tape again, same way, just like the outer part. This on top of here, right in the center. You'll see this cute little decoration on the outside. So this one's done, and then we're going to go to the next step. And we're going to go ahead and just put a little bit on here as well. Take this and apply it down at the bottom. Make sure it's centered. It'll look just like that. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is get, we have 4 of these and 4 of the yellow. Just going to grab those. And like that kind of piece goes at the bottom. So we're just gonna line these up just the same way. And I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing as far as taping it. So we're gonna go ahead and tape. Okay, do the same here. I'm gonna line it, you guys. So there you go. Okay, so here you can see like there's just a few of the circles that didn't come out. You can just poke it through. Okay, now we're gonna grab the Happy Mother's Day and put the tape on the back. Let's just kind of do a little circle. Just center it right in the middle. So it looks like that. Tassel for the purse, and we're just gonna make little small little folds and just keep going. And then you can just kind of separate this. Okay, so now we're going to take one of these and we're going to put this through. Make sure that this little indentation is facing outward. And let me just make sure this is the right way. Okay. Then we're going to go to the second hole, like that. Okay. And then we're going to pull it down. Okay. So it'll look just like that. And now you're going to do the exact same thing on the other end. And you'll also notice on the strap, there are little circles at the end for the buckle to, go into. You'll also want to make sure to take a weeding tool and, pop those out if they're not already out. They'll just make it a lot easier to use the buckle, to add the buckle. And we're going to then do it to the next strap. Okay, so now what we're doing is just folding the cardstock over, and on each of the sides we're folding it over similar to like an accordion, and we'll do the other side as well. And then we will use the tape to attach the other side of the cardstock to the end like this. We'll place it right there. And then just apply it. And then we'll do the same thing to the other end. What I like to do too is also take a popsicle stick and just rub the popsicle stick over that area on the inside of the little purse. And I think it helps it just adhere better to the paper. And isn't that cute, you guys? So far, so cute. Okay, so now we need to put the flap on there. And they recommend you put it like 3/4 of the way down in the center of the purse. As you can see, I'm just eyeballing it. You'll want to apply tape or glue and just make sure that there's enough there so that it stays on that little purse. And in my popsicle stick again, just making sure that it adheres well. And then you can take a pencil or some type of tool and just kind of fold it over, like kind of round fold it over. And then I use fastening dots that I bought from the Dollar Tree. And I put them together first. And then I'll take one side of the wrapper or that piece off and apply it to one end of the piece that we just put there. And then take the other end off, and then you can just put the purse together and it just is in the perfect spot. So that's a cute way to do that, easy way. So isn't that cute? Okay. Okay, so now we are going to add the little triangles to the corner. There's four of them, so there'll be two in the front and two in the back. And we'll apply the sticker tape and just place it in the corner. Isn't that cute? And then we're going to do the other side. Same thing. And then we're just going to turn the purse over and do the back just like that. I think it adds like a cute little detail. It looks so cute. And it has a little doily. It's a doily. I looked it up. And then we are ready to add the straps. So we just flip the strap over and we apply the tape, just like I would say an inch or half an inch, on each end. And then we will go ahead and just kind of pull the strap together and apply it to each end. So we'll just put it on this side and then just kind of twist it and place it on the other end. And we'll do the exact same thing to the other side. So I'm just applying maybe about half an inch or an inch, just a little bit past the buckle. And we're going to do the exact same thing. This is so cute. It's so tiny, it's so cute. It's like a little it is a little miniature purse, so cute. And then we have the little straps here, and we'll just place that paper right through the little hole. And then we'll take the little pom-pom and we can wrap that little strip in. Well, what first we'll do is put tape here, and then we'll apply it to the little strap, and then just fold it over so it's attached to that strap. And then we have a little rectangle piece that we can wrap around. So we'll go ahead and apply the glue there as well. When I say glue, I mean sticker, sticker tape. And just apply it around there. And then we'll do the exact same thing to the other side. But then obviously instead of the pom-pom, we will do the cute little Happy Mother's Day circle. And then I thought it was easier in the end just to put the tape on the circle and then right in the center of the circle and then just apply it directly onto the little strap. So what do you guys think? Leave me a comment below. Let me know. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Isn't this cute, you guys? It opens. And you can put like a little gift card in there, some cash. You can really put anything in there. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial today. If you don't already subscribe and you think you like my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.